Hi, today's star of the shave is Hanami Soap's Barber line. The scent is Sugar Bourbon. Hi, I'm Jason, and you can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today, I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Hanami Soap's Barber line Sugar Bourbon scent. Yeah, I can read and remember. Hooked on Phonics worked for me. So how's everyone doing? I had to pump up my little bougie sprayer. Oh, I forgot the rest of the lineup. My bad. I'm also using the Alysworth Altair handle with the G5 synthetic knot. Of course, my trusty TRC lather bowl. I'm using a Colonial CR7 AL. It's with the plate 1. Very mild. Of course, and then again, reintroducing my bougie sprayer. So how's everyone doing today? Yeah, I'm good. Been looking forward to this shave all day. You know, like I always say, shave gives a pep to my step. Oh, look at this. Right off the bat, look at this beautiful lather. I entered wet shaving seriously in the year 2023. I believe that was like a little bit after all this lather base wars. It was like the base wars and something. Where people were like trying to up themselves before. Like, oh, this base is good, this base is good. Now it's almost the ending of 2025 and basically most people have a great soap base. You know, the standards have been raised so high. Oh man. It smells like a sugary with a little bourbon scent cookie to me. It reminds me of my neighbor's sugar bourbon cookies. That's my personal opinion, but in a cologne scent, let me go for the first pass. Very mild, this razor, and this soap base. A lot of protection. Oh man. I'm feeling born again. Like, jolted. Like, I got a shock of energy. Oh man. I could be good right off. You know, I don't need like a second or third pass, but this is a shave and chat, and I'm definitely going for my second pass. Oh man, I just feel like we're truly living in a golden age of traditional wet shaving. So much great products, but like I always say, yes, the products are great. But you know what makes it great? And you know what makes it even greater? It's the artisans and the people who buy the products. You know, this community is so supportful and helpful. That's why I fell in love with it. It helped me become a better human being. Put down in the comments, what's your favorite part about the wet shaving community? Or the products, or anything wet shaving. Or just how has wet shaving helped you in your life? Let me go for my second pass. God, I just love this lineup I set up. That's my favorite part. One of my favorite things to do is to set up my shave lineup. How about you? Let me know in the comments. You know me, I'm consistently consistent. I always say, under my neck, I'm quiet. Oh man, very beautiful. Look at me being a messy shaver. Hey, but sometimes being messy is fun. Hey, you know, you can be neat all you want, but that's to each its own. Oh man, I just get so happy. Just looking forward to a shave. Like, it's like my treat for the day, you know. Self-care, you know, not only for the physical side, you know, the looks, but also for the mental side. And it's a regimen. I'm a daily shaver. Put down in the comments how many times you shave. Are you a daily shaver? Are you a every so often daily shaver? No, like, blah. Are you a daily shaver? Do you shave like one day yes, one day no? How much of a break you give? What type of razor you use? What type of blade? Are you a DE person or a SC person? Or a straight edge razor? So much to choose from. So many great vintages that we have. So many modern razor makers out there. Oh man. I wonder what's it going to be like in the next 5 years. This is my third pass. Just like blazing through this, like, woo! You know, I feel like the scent of this soap and actually doing this shave is like giving me this electric energy, like a charge, like an Energizer Bunny. Hey, maybe I am the Energizer Bunny. Ooh. Can I take that? Oh man. Third pass coming through. Got little messy hands. Oh, sorry about that. I'm very hyper. Oh man, I've been looking forward for this shave for a while now. I hear great things about Hanami Soap, and it's true. It's a very great soap base, great scent. I can't wait to try the rest of their products. Kudos, Hanami Soap. No. Well, this is a BBS shave. Again, I love hearing that feedback. Let me get some wipes and I'll introduce the products again. And oh man, I cannot imagine what will wet shaving be like in 5 years and in 10 years. What type of bases are going to be coming out, soap bases or splashes, what type of materials they use to make the razors, and even the blades. Put down in the comments, what do you think is the last, like, big thing that happened? Not last big thing, but like, how can okay. I feel like there's still unexplored territory in the blades, how they're made, how they're manufactured. I mean, razors, I think, there's still a little more room to grow. But who knows? You never know, they discover some new material and they make some cool type of razor that takes a cool razor blade. Oh, let me put the splash on. I'm gonna be generous. Oh yeah. Oh man, I smell more of the bourbon in the splash than in the soap. It's like a nice yin yang. Alright, let me go over my lineup. Today I used an Alysworth Altair handle with a G5 synthetic knot. My trusty TRC lather bowl. I have many of those. I love them. A Colonial CR AL razor with a Tatara blade. I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning I used a Tatara blade. And it's on the level 1 plate. My bougie sprayer. And of course, the star of the shave, Hanami Soap's Barber line, and the scent is Sugar Bourbon. Well, thank you for staying till the end. If you want to have a great time in Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to Instagram and go to the Razor Company Live, where you'll see 4 great people having a great time talking about wet shaving, food, and just busting chops in a family-friendly environment. You could watch it with your kid, your grandkid, your great-grandkid, and so forth, and feel safe. Also, for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Again, thank you for staying to the end, and have a great day.